Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm starting off the video with some wet hair, and you're probably not used to seeing me with damp hair, but I just got out of the shower, threw some makeup on, because today we are going to be trying out and doing the first impressions of the Revlon one-step hairdryer and volumizer. So this is a one-step styler, and basically it's supposed to give you the results of a blowout. And what's funny is I had done a blowout on my Instagram story, and I struggled so much holding the brush and the hair dryer. A ton of people sent me DMs saying that I should try out this little Revlon styling tool. So I purchased this and I got it in earlier this week, and I've been waiting to film this video. So I'm so excited to do a little unboxing, do a first impressions, to finally have that beautiful blown out hair. I'm really hoping that this goes well because, I don't know, I'm not that good at doing a blowout with a blow dryer and a hairbrush. So I'm hoping that this like solves all my problems, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Like I said, my hair is fresh out of the shower. There's no product in it, and before I add anything like heat protectant or anything like that, I'm going to unbox this little hair dryer. Basically, there were multiple brands that sell the same concept, but I got the Revlon one because it was the cheapest one that I could find. I feel like Revlon makes a lot of really great hair tools, so I'm thinking it was like a pretty safe bet getting this one versus the other ones that were a little bit more expensive, but I haven't tried them, so I don't really know, but hopefully this goes well. So basically this is all that comes in the box. Not a lot to unbox, but it actually is a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. I guess it has to be pretty large because it's a hair dryer and a brush. This is what the brush looks like. It's honestly like pretty sturdy. It's a lot lighter though than I thought it would be, so I feel like this is going to be really nice because I think that's the worst part about doing a blowout. I have really long, like thick, heavy hair, so whenever I do a blowout my arms get so tired. So I'm hoping that this just solves all of my problems and just makes my dreams come true. We're just gonna plug it in. It doesn't look like there's a lot to really talk about. It does have a couple settings. So it has an on and off switch, obviously, but it has cool, low, and high. And I'll probably, oh, you can't just turn it. So when you turn it, it automatically turns on. This is low, this is high. Oh, it gets like warm. I'm not gonna really read the instructions because it's just a hair dryer and a brush. So I feel like I can't mess it up, but famous last words. Alright, so to protect my hair from heat and damage, I actually don't blow dry my hair very often or curl it. Most of the time I just let it air dry or like put it in braids, but I'm gonna be using the BB Repair. This is a blow drying heat protectant serum. Add it to my hands, and then just gonna be applying this kind of to the ends, and this stuff smells so good. This is like some of my favorite heat protectant, and it also just makes your hair silky smooth. I used to blow out my hair every time I showered back when my hair was like blonde, and if you do not remember that time, you can go back in my YouTube videos and see all of the different hair transformations that I've had, because I really do feel like my hair has gone through some major transformations. I used to have really short hair, I used to have blonde hair, I used to have really short blonde hair, so I've just, you know, I've played around with it, and I'm actually really happy with the color and the cut that I've got going on now. But the heat protectant is in, and I'm actually going to section my hair. This is how I would do it when I did do a blowout, and I actually was really good at blowouts when I had to do them all the time back when my hair was like blonde. I just lost that like muscle memory, I guess. So I'm clipping it up with this little claw clip, and I already dried my bangs. My hair, I would say, is damp. Like I towel dried it and then I let it air dry while I was putting my makeup on, so it's not like wet, but it is on the damp side. So I've got a mirror right behind this camera, so if I'm looking like past the camera, I'm looking in the mirror because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. We are gonna go ahead and start, I guess. So I'm gonna turn it on high, and basically what I've seen online on tutorials is you like do this from underneath it as you like dry it, and then you can like flip the hair over it and like pull it through. I'm just gonna play around with it, see what works for me, and hopefully this goes well, and I'll like put some nice music behind it so you don't have to listen to this thing because it's probably gonna be super loud. Let's just try it out, shall we? I always feel the space whenever you're around. We're illuminated in my room right now. There in your mind, deep in your eyes, I know you see it too. The more we break the bed
the way the light comes through. You and me, we can really mess it up sometimes. We're bittersweet, but I think about you all the time. It's addicting, loving something wild inside. A masterpiece, you're a work of art that's come to life. Don't matter if you don't get it right, just lay your flaws in my arms tonight. People don't write poetry about a perfect life. There's something beautiful about you and I.
So, first impressions, this actually dries it pretty dang fast. I didn't think it was going to be as powerful as it is. This is a very, very, very easy tool to use. I am so used to like holding this and holding a hairdryer and trying to get the right angle, whereas like this I feel like I have a lot more control with. I actually really like this. I feel like the whole like blow drying it under just really helps kind of get into the roots like this, and then doing the flip also really helps. But what I find that I like is almost like twisting it up like this and then letting it dry so that you're kind of getting a better curl. I'm gonna definitely have to play around with this a little bit more. You can kind of see what I'm doing where I like twist it up like that, and I feel like that is what gives it like this nice little kind of wisp at the end. But my hair feels really, really smooth, and honestly I am so surprised just by how quick and easy this was. I'm kind of obsessed with this. I'm gonna do this other side now and get back to y'all.
To say how I feel. Whenever we talk, it's like the world goes still. There in your eyes, deep in your mind, I know you feel the same. Running the red things that you say don't always come out clean. You and me, we can really mess it up sometimes. We're bittersweet, but I think about you all the time.
Alright, so as you guys could see, I have found that the way that I really like using this is holding it vertical like this and flipping it and pulling it through as it dries, because I feel like that just gives it like that nice wave. But I am obsessed with this. I seriously did not see myself liking this as much as I do, but it dries so quickly, and like look how nice my hair looks. Like the ends just look so much better than like air drying it, and this is so much easier than holding a hair dryer and a brush. I feel like I literally have so much more control. My arms are not tired at all, which is crazy because I just have always associated blowouts with my arms hurting. So this is amazing, and I'm really interested to see how it dries this top part. So I'm gonna finish up.
Don't matter if you don't get it right, just lay your flaws in my arms tonight. People don't write poetry about a perfect life. There's something beautiful about you and I. There's something beautiful about you and I.
Alright, so this is the final hair, and I am obsessed with this tool. I am so glad that I bought this. This is honestly like saved so much time, saved my arms. I mean, look how good this looks. and I did this so quickly. Would have done it so much faster if I wasn't pausing to talk. But as you guys saw, I tried to like lift it up here so that it can get some volume, and then I did one just kind of right on top of my head. I seriously cannot recommend this more to y'all. Like, I really can't. And this was obviously purchased with my own money. This is a very honest review of this. I love it, and I really do recommend this. This is gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle, and it's just so nice to just have this all-in-one tool. I feel so good about this. I'm so happy. So I'm going to finish off my hair with some hair oil. This is the Kerastase hair oil. I usually use the Moroccan one, but I literally just ran out, so I'm using this and applying it to the ends to give it some life. But I seriously, guys, jump on this hair tool and let me know down in the comments if you do end up grabbing it, because seriously, this is going to change your life, make your life so much easier, give you that beautiful blowout hair, so hassle-free. I'm really glad that you guys on Instagram recommended this to me, because I'm seriously so happy with the end results. But if you guys enjoyed this video and this review slash unboxing tutorial first impressions, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you end up trying this out for yourself, or if you've tried it already and you love it. I forgot to mention that I will link this one, and I guess I can link the more expensive ones down below, but this one is great for the price. If you would like to stick around on my channel and see some more videos from me, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back for some more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys!